Let's look how to organize your files in your teams and projects. As we've learned at pricing lesson, you can create as many teams as you want, so you can use them to organize your files. Actually, let's go and see. I have a team Smart Banners and I have 3 projects here. Figma for marketers and growth hackers. Actually, I decided to rename it. Let's find where to rename it. I can rename it here. I decided to change it to marketing and growth hacking. Okay, so I have all the files for this course here. I have some files here. These are templates for Google, Facebook, and they're all together in one Smart Banners team. If I want, I can create some another team. Let's say I have this one, demo team, and I have 2 projects here. Design system, this is created by default. So if you want to create more projects, let's create one more, demo project 2, and as you see, there are 3 of them, and this is a limit for a free team. You can't create more than 3 projects inside. So I want to create one more, and it says upgrade to professional, but I don't want. I just can remove this project that is created by default, and now I can create my 3rd one, demo project 3. Okay, so now I have 3 projects here. And now I can organize my files into these projects. For example, I created something and it is located in my drafts. I want to move it to my project. I can just drag it here, for example, to demo project 1. And now it will be here. So as you see, the files that are not located in any project are located in the drafts section. So after I moved a file to demo project 1, it is here, as you see. It has been removed from my drafts. I want to move this one to that projects as well, and this one as well. So I will put them all together. Do I have any yellow one? No. Okay. I will rename it. Oops, I just moved it from my favorites. So I want to rename it to yellow project 1. So now you see how to organize all your files into projects. Remember that there is limit 3 projects per team, but you can create unlimited quantity of your teams. If you want to remove these limitations, you can always upgrade to professional plan and use as many projects as you want in one team. And there is one more thing. When you go to your team page, you see there are 3 highlighted projects. As long as this is a free team, there are only 3 projects available here, but if there is a paid team and there are a lot of projects, you can put some of them to the top by clicking this star icon. This adds project to favorites, and you can see it in this left menu. So if you click remove from favorites, it's gone, but you can always find it in your team. So as you see, the star is unchecked. If I check it again, my project comes back to the menu. So you can add projects to your left menu by clicking these stars and adding your projects to favorites. I think this is it for now for organizing your files in Figma.